These are the two main principles why that they observe the natural world. First, when they observe the heavenly bodies, they are going to discern the changes of the ages. In other words, the change in the kingdom. The new talent is coming up or was born, or maybe a new king was born. Usually it's go with the heavenly bodies, or we see the star, the comets, and that is the background. Now, interestingly, during the Han Dynasty in China, and the Chinese astronomer saw this star that we say the star that led these Magi or the wise men came all the way from the east to Bethlehem, to Jerusalem, to Bethlehem later on. And how do we know that? Because in both records, we know that not only in the ancient time in Iran, Iraq, but also in China, they record about this event. What did they do? Let us just begin to explore together and see what did they write here. Now, if you pay attention with me here, and you can read here. In the second month, during the Han Dynasty, in the second month of the second year of Chen Ping, the comet was out of Altair for more than 70 days. Now, take note of that. Okay. Every time that is appear for at least 70 days. Now, we could ask the question, the reason why these Magi came and looked for Herod, because at that time, maybe after the 70 days, these Altair just disappeared, and then after they looked for some time, they could not find it, because they could not see the star, the Altair, so immediately they look for the king or King Herod in those days. And after that, as they depart from the palace, maybe the Altair just appear again, and to show them from Jerusalem to Bethlehem where they see the Lord Jesus Christ. So here it is said, comets appear to signify the old being replaced by the new. Now, this is very significant if you notice this one. The events of the Altair or the comets appear. It is to signify the old being replaced by the new. And that's we can see that the change in BC and AD. The birth of the Lord Jesus Christ define the history line. Before Christ,